Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Mamolys Cooling Ace, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this review is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, what we found is that there is very little verified information about Mamolys Cooling Ace online. No official website, no Trustpilot or Reddit reviews, just flashy ads and vague promises. According to malware tips, this product raises serious red flags. No proven cooling performance, claims of rapid cooling using evaporative tech aren't backed by real-world results. Unknown origins, which means no manufacturer details, company background, or proof it's made in the US as claimed. Shady business practices, which means inflated pricing, fake countdown timers, and marketing gimmicks are all too common. And also poor customer experience, where buyers report loud operation, leaking tanks, weak airflow, and non-existent support when issue arise. For the final verdict, the Mamolys Cooling Ace looks like more a cheap and overhyped gadget than a revolutionary cooling device. With no transparency, no support, and disappointing real-world performance, it's best to avoid this product and stick with reputable and reviewed portable AC brands. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.